So it's Wednesday, April 2nd. Last night we saw an election in Wisconsin, and a liberal left-leaning justice, Susan Crawford, won her election against Brad Schimmel. A lot of stakes in this election, a lot of money poured into this election. But upon hearing the news that she would be joined on the court by Susan Crawford, Wisconsin Supreme Court Justice Rebecca Bradley, who I'm seriously wondering whether she's like legitimately mentally ill. I mean, she is nuts. She is bonkers in every way, shape, and form. She said that she is not looking forward to working with Judge Susan Crawford, even though she won her election. They haven't worked together yet. Justice Rebecca Bradley is very, I hate to even use the word conservative anymore. There's nothing conservative about any of these people. There's nothing conservative about MAGA, except conserving white supremacy and the patriarchy for white men. Those are the only two things they're interested in conserving. Justice Bradley said, "I think the way Judge Crawford ran her race, her campaign, was disgusting. I'm not looking forward to working with her. She's bought and paid for by the Democratic Party." Said she was personally and professionally disappointed in Judge Brad Schimmel's loss in yesterday's election. And she went on to say that Crawford's victory will result in terrible consequences for the state of Wisconsin and for the state of the judiciary. "We will see more politicization of the judiciary," said Justice Bradley. She said that 2 days after Elon Musk held a rally in Wisconsin where he gave two lucky winners each a check for $1 million, one of whom turned out to be the head of the college Republicans in the state of Wisconsin, who immediately had to set his Twitter account to private because he's an early 20s manosphere bro, and one can only imagine the kinds of things that he had been posting to his Twitter account. And she said politicization of the judiciary. Elon Musk personally sank $20 million into this race, not counting the $2 million he gave away on Sunday, specifically because he has business before this court. He was trying to buy a state Supreme Court justice, and Justice Bradley is concerned about Democrats politicizing the court. These people are insane. The word hypocrisy doesn't even cover, MAGA Republicans believe that the rule of law and anything resembling things like ethics or morals, none of that should apply to them. But anybody who doesn't agree with them should be held to the highest standard and prosecuted for things that are not even illegal. And she's a state Supreme Court justice. You can Google her and see some of the shit that she has said in the past, like on abortion, for example. Wisconsin Supreme Court Justice Rebecca Bradley, Ley. Anyway, I'm grateful at least that Susan Crawford won her election last night. So there's that, I guess.